Hey, I'm Jonathan Diaz, your dialysis dietitian. And if you're on dialysis and you're looking for recipes, I'm your guy. And today I'm gonna show you how to make this country style barbecue ribs. And that's right, this is dialysis friendly, meaning low phosphorus, low potassium, and low sodium. Let's get cooking. So we're gonna get the ingredients. I do have beef that's been marinating overnight, the homemade barbecue sauce, some MSG, not salt, red wine vinegar. We're also going to need some other spices such as ground mustard and cayenne pepper. You can use paprika if you like. And brown sugar. Again, this will be for the rub. Now what I have here is ribs marinating overnight with the red wine vinegar and no more than half a teaspoon of salt. Now for the rest of the rub, I use brown sugar, ground mustard, cayenne pepper, and MSG. For cayenne pepper, definitely be careful with it because it can make it spicy. If you want it flavorful but not spicy, use paprika. And this is the homemade garlic paste. I find it better than just buying store-bought garlic paste. And this is the homemade barbecue sauce that is definitely low sodium, low potassium, and low phosphorus. And the link above is for the recipe for the sauce. So let's use this in our recipe. So for the rub, we will need 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. For cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon. If you want it spicier, add some more. Ground mustard, you only need 1 teaspoon. For MSG, no more than 1 teaspoon. And we're just gonna mix it all up until it looks like a nice paste. Now the rub looks like it won't be enough, but it will, since we are only lightly coating the ribs. So you don't have to worry about it being drenched because again, this is just to provide additional flavoring. That's all it's for. Now once the ribs are lightly coated, you're gonna add half a cup of water to the air fryer because we will pressure cook the beef for about 20 minutes on high. Now at the end of those 20 minutes, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or coconut oil, whichever you prefer, to the air fryer and air fry it for an additional 10 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit just to give that little crisp to our beef. Now that our ribs are air fried, we're gonna add our homemade barbecue sauce all over the ribs and we're gonna bake it for 5 minutes to caramelize that sauce just to make it a little bit sweeter. Again, we want that barbecue flavor. Of course, as you can see here, it is falling apart because yes, this beef is moist, as it may not seem like it in this video, but I guarantee you it is very moist and it will fall apart. So only bake it for 5 minutes. And after that, enjoy these ribs. If you like what you saw, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell to not miss any new recipes I post every other Friday. And again, thank you for your support and leave a comment and let me know what is your favorite dish and what you want to see next on my channel. Again, thank you and you have a great day.